want to do this video to talk about the installation of the AutoTuner bot. I know some of you guys have been having issues running it. There's issues with probably the virus scanner because it has features kind of like virus-like where it controls people's browsers, which is, you know, what kind of application does that? You know, like only bots do that. So it has a virus-like capability in a sense. So that's why it's been flagged by other virus scanners. So even when I installed the developer version, I get a virus alert on there. So just disable it for the time being when you're installing it, and just run it through. It's after you run it through, then it should install properly, and you'll be good. Okay, so see if that helps, and go from there. Okay. I think I can't think of anything else. I think as far as EXP stuff, if that still does not, even that is required to launch the Chrome browser, and if that still doesn't work, then you'll probably need to install the UBot Studio just to it's kind of more like a covering. It just takes care of it when you just install the developer version of it. You don't need to sign in because you're a developer, or otherwise you have to purchase the license in order to develop your own bots. But you don't need to do that because I'm not doing that for you. So hopefully that helps, and we'll go from there. Okay, and let me know, comment below if you have any other questions. Thanks.